Alright guys, new soup I'm going to be making here. I got 3 things of this chuck meat. So I'm going to render that down in the pan first thing. The meat. That's that, it's got the bone-in chunk meat, so I'm going to render that down. What I got is I got some beef stock, 4 boxes of that. A couple of boxes of rice pilaf. A couple of things of diced tomatoes, and a thing of potatoes. I got 3 bags of kale. I got red cabbage, green cabbage. I got some green peppers. A couple of bags of these carrots. Got some Brussels sprouts, asparagus. I'm going to prep all this stuff. A couple of things of cauliflower, bunch of beans here, and a couple of things of tomatoes, thing of celery, and broccoli rabe. I like that couple of things of broccoli rabe. I'm gonna get some tomato. I'm gonna get some. Also got some garlic and hot peppers there. I'll throw that in there, and some onions. So all that stuff's gonna get. I got a big 60 quart pan here, so I got a 40, but sometimes I like to go with a 60 just to make sure everything fits in there. So I'm going to throw the meat in there first, get that rocking and rolling, and in the meantime I can start cutting all this other stuff up. But once I get this stuff all cut up and prepped, I'll show you as it goes in the pot. But we'll throw the meat in there first and some of that beef broth and get that rocking and rolling. I'm going to cook this meat really good, then I'll pull it out and chop it up into pieces. Take the bone out, so when I put the meat back in the soup, it's going to be ready to go, all cut up and ready to eat, you know. Steve is cooking again, mama. I'll make a bunch of meals and freeze it. I'm all out of my Thanksgiving meals, all gone, and all my other meals are gone, so I'm going to cook this. Throw the ground chorizo in there too. It's kind of like a hot sausage almost. Beef stock. Won't have to add water to it anyway, but we'll cook this really good, get that meat all rendered down, and yeehaw! In the meantime, I'll start cutting the rest of the stuff up. We'll cook this till this all falls apart in the bone. Cook it till there's no more meat on the bone, mama. Next level. Alright guys, so I got all the meat all cut up. I took all the bones. Cut all the bones out. I just kept a couple of the good ones for the dog. Come on. You want it? Alright, so got all the meat all cut up. And I got all the stuff all prepped in the refrigerator. I'm going to lay it all out. And we'll start loading it back in there. Start cooking it. Yeehaw! Save this other bone for her for tomorrow, I guess. Alright guys, I got all the stuff prepped. I got all the meat in the back there. I did take the mushrooms and cut them up. Cleaned all the Brussels sprouts. Got a couple of cans of petite tomatoes here. A couple of things of rice pilaf. I'll dump that in there as it goes. I got the broccoli rabe, the green cabbage, and the red cabbage. And then I got 3 bags of this. Green peppers, green beans I cut up, cleaned them all and cut them up. Asparagus. Got the onions. Garlic, hot peppers. I did cut the little carrots up in half. Red green peppers, celery, and I got broccoli and cauliflower here stacked. And I got a bag of potatoes. So she's all going in. All right. So we're gonna have to add some. Water, but put the diced tomatoes in there. Two cans of diced tomatoes. Put the meat back in there. I did cut it all up, take all the bones out of it, cut it into small pieces, so it's gonna be bite-sized pieces, right? We'll put the carrots in there. Celery, going in. Cauliflower, going in. Broccoli, going in. Red peppers, going in. Brussels sprouts, going in. Green beans, going in. Asparagus, going in. Potatoes, going in. Get the onion. Got a whole bunch of garlic and hot peppers here, so it's going to be kicked up a little bit. Mushrooms. We'll fill it with water. Some water going in there. We gotta get us some water. And that's how I like to cook. Do a big batch and make all kinds of leftovers. That's how I cook. Our Real Working Man Cook series. And I got the broccoli rabe. It's kind of a sour thing, broccoli rabe. It's kind of an Italian dish. Got the green cabbage. Red cabbage. Good thing I used the big pot because it wouldn't fit. And at the end, the last thing I'll put in is the kale. I'll put the kale in at the end. That's going to be good for water for now. We could always add more later if you want, but don't want to add too much. Rice pilaf, 2 boxes. We'll give it a little bit of little chooch. Rice pilaf packets. All right, we're going to cook this for a while, and then we'll add the kale at the end. It's not going to take long for that to render down. I'm going to cook this for a while and then we'll add the kale. Ragu. You got the bone there, Molly? Oh yeah, you love the bone. You love eating the bone, huh? Hope you don't make a mess on my couch. Not gonna make a mess of the couch, I hope. Alright guys, it's heating up a little bit, so I'll be able to put the rest of that kale in there. It's gonna have to cook for a while, but get the kale in there. The 3 bags of kale, right? This stuff renders right down, this kale. Kale will render right down. Love kale. Love kale soup. This will render right down as soon as it hits the water. Alright guys, it's done. Yeehaw! Let me get a spoon, I can scoop it up and show you. I got a lot of juice here because I want to put it in containers and then, you know, put juice in there so it's covered with juice so I could freeze it. Yum! It's all healthy stuff. Probably got more liquid in there than I need, but be good. And put it in containers and freeze it. Yum. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of meals like this. You know, it's all healthy stuff and good eating. Yum. See all the stuff I put in there. Alright guys, there's all the containers there, and plus I got a big container here. So what I'm going to do is put all these covers on these and just freeze them all and let them set, and then later on when it cools off I'll throw them in the freezer and it's all a bunch of meals. So good healthy eating here. Yum! Got a little stuff for the chickens. Oh yeah, you like the bones? Did you like the bones? Alright guys, 23 meals plus I have some, probably another 3 or 4 inside the refrigerator, so 25 meals. I'll freeze them and then I'll thaw them out, you know, as I need them. So it's not even a month worth of food there. That's how I like to cook right there. It's like probably I don't know, $100 for the stuff to make it. 25 meals. This is all good stuff right here. All good stuff right there, mama. How a real working man cook series. Yum! Healthy eating.